So today I'm doing something a little bit fun. I am following a Bob Ross tutorial. For those who don't know who Bob Ross is, he is an amazing artist and basically has like a follow along at home video that you could do to learn to paint. Now, if some of you have watched the videos already of mine, you know that I struggle a lot. So I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to get taught by a professional. Basically, I've got my watercolours, paintbrushes. There is a slight twist to what he does. I'm gonna attempt to do it on an obnoxiously small easel and canvas, because why not make it hard for myself? You won't see it until the end because I think that'll be more funny. So enjoy. Alrighty, Bob, take it away.
Hi, I'm glad to see you again today. Thought today we'd do something a little bit different. I have all canvas up here as usual, but I'll cover today with a thin, even coat of liquid clear.
Bob, you haven't really started me off to a great start. Okay.
So I tell you what, let's have around all the colors across the screen that you need to paint along with.
Titanium white, yes.
Let's go on up here and get started.
Oh, gonna get
I'll
started.
start today with a small amount of Indian yellow.
Indian,
Just the least little
on
amount.
a bigger brush,
Just
on a two,
have a little color in there. Let's make a nice little, like a little sunset.
a little sunset.
Like so. And we'll just start. We'll just drag it.
Hang on, Bob.
Look at that. Since we introduced the clear, absolutely.
I'm not getting any colour.
Right into crimson.
Right into crimson. Crimson.
Inlay that.
I haven't got a red. What the hell? How have I not got a red? That's like literally a primary colour. We're gonna have to go with orange, guys.
Down into the yellow. These colors are very transparent.
They're very.
Just a touch more
How do I?
crimson on the brush.
Pinks.
One jar, oh my gosh, it'll last you for years. There. A little bit of those too. Just sort of blend that together.
Bob.
A little bit slight lavender hue.
Slight lavender
Very
hue.
blue yet, very blue. You just drop a little of that off. This thing is very transparent. You take the old knife, you pull the paint out very flat, you just cut
Knife?
it.
What knife? This is not
And let's put some little streaky clouds back.
streaky.
Just rub it across the canvas. Just rub.
Alright, streaky clouds.
Whatever you want.
Streaky clouds. You need to go not so quick. Alright, hang on.
A little roll of paint.
Let me catch up.
You cut off a little roll of paint. Let's go right up here.
I haven't got a spatula.
There he goes.
Haven't I?
Right about here.
Alright, we're just gonna pretend we're doing this.
Just put it wherever you want. Very dark.
Ew, looks pretty nice.
Let's put some highlights on there.
Let's put some highlights.
Take some dark sienna.
Dark sienna.
You come right up here.
And,
No pressure.
oh, bit of red.
And you can just let all on here like that.
Oh, gorgeous.
Different things
Oh,
happening in there.
beautiful.
All kinds of beautiful
Dimension.
colors.
Oh, yeah.
Some up here with this big sun again. Let it come down.
Oh, the sun would come. Whoa, this is a children's show.
Just let all these things happen. People
Let it all
think
happen, let it all
these
happen.
different colors. And it's all
I'm just going to take a quick break and say I probably shouldn't have done it in watercolours. Nevertheless, we're here and we're well and truly into it.
dark sienna on there too. And just pull it down.
Oh my goodness.
Dark sienna. And I'm not mixing these very much.
Oh,
Don't hardly
what the hell? I just took cover of it.
Just pull down.
Just pull down. Ooh. Ah! Beautiful. It's all in the brush stroke. Rub it.
Like so. Okay. That gives us a pretty nice little mountain.
Alright, pretty little mountain. I wouldn't say pretty, Bob, but
And I just want to tap it. Just tap it.
tap it. Tap it, tap it.
Angles.
And then,
Lift it upward.
what? No, that's not what I was trying to do.
Let's get brave today.
Brave, I'm brave.
Should look black.
going so quick. You need to give us some time.
Beautiful, beautiful big bushes and trees.
What are you doing?
Just tap, use the corner of the brush.
I can't keep up.
Little grassy things that are
Hang on.
some nice rocks.
Rocks. Robert, stop.
There he is. Nice big old stone. In your world. Inside, you make a shadow.
Jesus.
That easy. All these little rocks.
My world, Bob, you're just living in it.
Hope you can see that. My hand's not moving. And you put them wherever you want them. Yes, sir. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Think we'll call it finished. See what you can do with liquid clear. And from all of us here, happy painting and God bless.
Thanks very much. Now, the moment that you've all waited for, this is what it was. This is the final product. This is what it's supposed to look like. You can see all the variation, all the white highlights, all the greatness. And then I'll show you mine as a side-by-side comparison. Oh no. Look, it's not, the thing is, it's not bad from back here. Like, you gotta squint and turn your head to the side, and it actually doesn't look too bad, I don't reckon. First go, not bad. I failed with the watercolours. That was the issue. I couldn't do any of the white highlighting. But, I mean, good. Not so much. Not really. Not that. Yeah.